So this is a complete guide on how to use YANGO application. It is a traveling app just like the Uber and then the rest. So I am going to quickly open this particular application and then walk you through how you can be able to set this particular application and then continue to order a ride with YANGO application at a lower rate. So quickly go ahead and tap onto allow access to your location before you can begin to go ahead and have anything done, because your location will be needed for a pickup point to be determined. Go ahead and input your phone number. Now currently you can see that the country code is that of US. Go ahead and clean it and then begin with your own country code, and then you continue with your phone number. Click onto next once you are successfully done. So a PIN code will be sent to your phone number which you have written in here. Within a second the PIN will be sent to you. Go ahead and put that in exactly as you see it sent to you. So if you have your SIM card in the same phone that you are using to set this app, the code will automatically be reaching in here for you. But I have a SIM card in a different phone, so I need to pick that up and then bring it in here very quickly. So once that has been successful, this is the next thing that you need to go ahead and carry out. Go ahead and write in your first name and then your last name. Click on to next. So that has been it, but in this particular section you are going to be asked if you want YANGO to actually track your other application. For security and privacy reasons, I would want you to go ahead and click onto the first option, which is ask application not to track, and then you are good to go. Once all this thing has been successfully set up, this is basically few things that you need to know. Within your location you have certain areas that you can easily find this particular application if you want. If you click onto this particular menu icon, you have other payment method which you can actually be able to use on this particular platform. If you do not have cash on you, we have the credit card or the debit card option available right here. You are automatically going to be using cash at the end of each trip that you order. At this particular point you can become a driver and also be able to use this as a passive income stream if you want, by going onto the site and then registering. Now if you go back onto the application, several things are here for you to go ahead and check out if you want. You have gifts and discount each and every time. So if someone has actually recommended this particular application to you, you can go ahead and take up the promo code which they have given to you. You are going to enter that and you have discount upon discount on this particular application. Moving on, we have history. If you have been on the platform for quite some time now, and all the places that you have been to in terms of ride, the locations, and then the driver that has taken you there will have details of them available right here, so that in case you have forgotten anything in that particular car, you can be able to contact the driver and then have your item brought back to you if you want. If you go onto settings, you can be able to control certain things at this particular point. If you do not want the driver to actually have access to your phone number and then call you, you can target this particular option on and share your location with the driver. You can do this or target this particular option on if you want. Now moving on how you can basically be able to use this particular YANGO application is going on to where to. So if you click onto where to, you are going to be writing exactly the location that you want to go to, and be looking through all the locations that are coming up below as you type your location. Go ahead and make sure you have the exact location which you are looking for, so you do not make mistake by choosing another location. So once you've been introduced the particular location that you try searching for and you think that is the location, go ahead and look through carefully, and then you are going to be selecting that particular location. Now the amount that you are going to be paid will be brought forth at the end of ordering your ride. You have the option at this particular point to select which medium of payment you want to use in this particular ride. If it is the card, go ahead and click onto the first option. Click onto the cash if you are going to be paying cash, just as I've done, and you are going to be clicking onto done. Now within couple of minutes you have several rides available that are coming to pick you up. We also have motorbike, and we also have cars that are within some range of amount if you want, and we even have cars that are ranked fastest, so you can decide to go with that if you want to get there very quick. we have the economy also having the same amount as the fastest of all the cars. Go ahead and request a ride, and then you are going to be waiting for 5 minutes or so. The minute of waiting is going to be reaching in here for you, and you can clearly see the car coming. If you are not ready for this particular ride at the moment, go ahead and have that particular ride cancelled. So basically that is how it works if you want to actually go ahead and then order a ride with YANGO. And please make sure you do not move from a particular location you've been before ordering the ride, so that the driver will actually be able to find the exact location on the map and then come pick you up. Basically that's been it with this particular application called YANGO. It has been one interesting ride or traveling application that has been introduced. It's been fast growing, and I think I've let go of everything that you need to know with this particular application called YANGO. Thank you, and please subscribe for more lessons like this in the coming days, as I will be seeing you again